you should not harass Teacher May. You know, for me, you didn't embarrass everyone. First of all, you harass Teacher May. Oh, you attack Teacher May. You say about you will threaten to hostage her. That's it in Tagalog that he said. Ita i threaten ko hostage si Teacher May. You know Paulo Cruzada, you need to pay for your consequence. You know, you're studying in Jossams. I know that was your school. I reported you in Jossams. Oh, I contact in the telephone in Jossams. Oh, I know you're attacking anybody. You know the Jossams at School of Paulo Cruzada? Philippine Women University. Oh, that's Jossams in Manila. And you do not know what you're doing. First of all, Paulo Cruzada, you need to learn about your consequence. You need to pay for your consequence for what you did to Teacher Vincent, for what you did to Teacher Gio Malana, Teacher Kel, Teacher May, oh, what else? Oh, even Teacher Marisa, Teacher Riza, Teacher Jessa Fernandez, and even Teacher Lendel, and even the others, you add them in group chats, even Mina Suchoy, Drita Ziri, the Miss Earth title holders, you add them in group chat. You know, Paulo Cruzada, I will never tolerate your actions. You remember, like I said before, hindi mo ko binigyan ng kahiyaan, Paulo Cruzada. You know, this is really a shame of yourself. And you should be ashamed of yourself, Paulo Cruzada. Oh. You know what, Paulo Cruzada? When Teacher May was not there, you still harassing her. You make a spamming message like what you said to Teacher May. What is that to say to Teacher May? Oh, ako ang ISIS ng bayan, gaasahan kita, Teacher May. And when you said before, i-hostage kita. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, I will never tolerate your action. You know, ISIS is a terrorist group. Paulo Cruzada, you do not know what you're doing. Oh, remember when Jerick Silva's friends who were part of the Philippine Raptor gang, even the Spedmotics, even Joseph Maspinas, they said to you, babalatan kita, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, you know that. Or else, I will shoot you a pellet gun, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, there is my gang, Jude Goles. Oh, in the CDIFI Spedmotics. Oh, even in Caloocan Spedmotics, there's RM and Onyok. Oh, they will beaten you, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, you do not know what you're doing. Puro kag kaganyan, puro kag away. Oh, inaaway mo pala si Teacher May, you know that. Eh, what is wrong? What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada, about Teacher May? If Teacher May is a supporter of Rodrigo Duterte, if she's a supporter of Sara Duterte, then just leave her alone, Paulo Cruzada. Ha? Just leave her alone. Stop harassing Teacher May. You know what, Paulo Cruzada? For what you did to Teacher May, now Teacher May was affected of cyberbullying because of you. She reported to Atipura. Oh, when I told to Jerick Silva that, you remember Atipura? That my former teacher aide in CDIFI. Atipura had read all the the messages, and she show a screenshot that what does Paulo Cruzada did. And take a look. Did Paulo Cruzada attack me? And when she say about, and Teacher May had talked to Ate Pura. Ate Pura, nakita ko yung mga screenshot ni Paulo Cruzada, like what he said before. And he says he wants to threaten to harass Teacher May. You see what you realize? You attack Teacher May. You harass her. Now what you really happened to you, Paulo Cruzada? You are being unfriended by your own friends in CDIFI. Even I talked to Ramon Jose in Colf, to tell Jordan Bunagan and Manuel Luis Antonio to block Paulo Cruzada in Facebook. They already know. At least Jordan Bunagan, my former friend, he unfriended you in Facebook. What you gonna say to yourself, Paulo Cruzada? Like I say again, Paulo Cruzada, you have to pay for all of your consequence for what you did to Teacher May. First of all, you message Teacher Vincent, you add him in group chat, and you say about him, gaasain mo si Teacher Aiza Bancula. What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? Aiza Bancula, that was a friend of Teacher Vincent. That was his girlfriend. Why are you threatened to harass Aiza Bancula, Paulo Cruzada? And even Teacher Marisa, including Teacher Riza, Teacher Jessa Fernandez, and including everyone, you harass them, including Teacher Bea, Teacher Chin Busmante, even Teacher Lara. You harass them, even Teacher JD. You harass her too. What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? What is your real problem? What is your real attitude? What is your dreaded mental health, Paulo Cruzada? What is wrong with you? Paulo Cruzada, you harass anybody, including Mina Suchoy and Rita Ziri. At least you harass everyone, and you add Miggy Labitag's Fred, Matthew Timbal. You add Jordan Pilapil, Wawel Romero, Jens Manaid in the group chat. Even my other friends, you add them in group chat. Paulo Cruzada, that is your fault. You know why Wawel Romero is very angry at you, Paulo Cruzada? Because she is very angry at you. Because you threaten to harass anybody. Galit na si Wawel sa'yo, Paulo Cruzada. Gigil na si Wawel sa'yo, Paulo Cruzada. Even everyone are angry at you. For what you did to Teacher May, you harass her. Putang ina mo, Paulo Cruzada. You are fucking dreaded. Like I said before, fuck you, Paulo Cruzada. I'm sorry for my bad words. Di ka kasi natitino, di ka kasi titigil. Puro ka lang harassment kay Teacher May. Hindi ka inaano, what you are realize, you didn't do anything to Teacher May. What you did to Teacher May, Paulo Cruzada? I uploaded in my screenshot in my YouTube blog for what you did to her. Oh, it is very nice to harass Teacher May, Paulo Cruzada. Huh? Is it very nice to bully an individual that she is retired? Have a shame of yourself, Paulo Cruzada. You do not know what you're talking about to Teacher May. You know, me, I never want to harass Teacher May. Like I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, me, I respect Teacher May. I talked with Jerick Silva in TikTok Live. Si Teacher May may malasakit, mabait na tao yan. Oh. You know, she is very kind at me. Oh. For what you done to Teacher May, you harass her. What if Teacher May reports you to authorities? What if Teacher May reports you to the Philippine National Police and anti-cybercrime group? Oh. If she reported to the NBI, Cybercrime Division, that's not really nice, Paulo Cruzada, to harass Teacher May. You know, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May is also retired. You know, when I talked to Joannes Impact in TikTok Live, I told to Joannes, I never want to harass Teacher May. Me, I condemn against Paulo Cruzada for harassing Teacher May. Because it's not really nice to harass Teacher May. Because, you know, this Paulo Cruzada, he did not respect the teachers in CDIFI. Oh. And he doesn't know about the Anti-Safe Space Act. For what you have done, Paulo Cruzada. Even Jordan Pilapil, you harassed her. Even Wawel Romero. That's why everyone, they hate you, Paulo Cruzada. They deserve to hate you. I know they hate you because they don't really like you. That is your consequence. That is your consequence for what you did to Teacher May. Look at yourself, Paulo Cruzada. Napakagago mo, Paulo Cruzada, like I said. You know, like I said before, you're the one who bullied Teacher May. You are an asshole, Paulo Cruzada. What if you try to harass Kuya Rodelio Daguman if you add him in group chat? Oh. At least Kuya Rodelio Daguman, seen all the group chat. You harassing everyone. At least Ronald Rebena had seen the screenshot or the group chat that Paulo Cruzada i-add Teacher May. Oh. And Ronald Rebena says, maiya ka naman, Paulo Cruzada. Hindi mo ako binigyan ng kahiyaan. Oh. It is your fault, Paulo Cruzada. What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada, huh? You know, Paulo Cruzada, like I said to you, I will shoot you a pellet gun. Here's the pellet gun, Paulo Cruzada. Oh. You do not know what you're talking about, Paulo Cruzada. For what you did to Teacher May, for what you did to Teacher Marisa, Teacher Jessa, Teacher Lendel, and including the others, even Teacher Joy, even Teacher Vincent, Teacher Gio, Teacher Kel, even Teacher Bea, Teacher JD, oh, and Teacher Lara, and Teacher Pat. You harass them. Now they are angry at you, Paulo Cruzada. Like those people are saying, galit na sa'yo, Paulo Cruzada. You do not know what you're talking about to Teacher May? To harass her? Paulo Cruzada? At least there's Ralph Guevara's mother, Tita Mabel, and even Tita Lori. I'd seen the what does Paulo Cruzada that he harassed Teacher May. Even they reported to Prince Jake Manipul's parents. They seen. Not even just that. Even Teacher Chris, Teacher Mirna have seen also. They are angry at you. You know, this is a better I could say to you, Paulo Cruzada. Ashamed of yourself. Ashamed of your family. Napakawalang ya mo, Paulo Cruzada. Like I said to you, you ally with Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Jima Casandil, and then you edit a picture of Shania Kiana and Paula Colin Nunez into a naked photos. Even Teacher Lara was sitting in the toilet. What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? Are you a rapist, Paulo Cruzada? Huh? Even Mina Suchoy, Drita Ziri, the Miss Earth title holders, you harass them. You threatening them, Paulo Cruzada. Buisit ka, Paulo. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you are really a pathetic Marcos loyalist and you are really pathetic ISIS wannabe. Napakawalang ya mo, Paulo Cruzada. You know, you are very a bad influence. You are very notorious, Paulo Cruzada. At least you remember Teacher Vincent. He reported you to the NBI. He reported you to the CIDG. Now what you realize, Paulo Cruzada should be in mental hospital, or you'll be stand fit in trial in the court. If the court of the test the mental state of Paulo Cruzada, he will bring him in the mental hospital. Remember, Paulo Cruzada, I will never forgive you for what you did to Teacher May. Everyone will never forgive you.